Alright guys, how are we doing today? This is a special video in it for my fire alarm collection because my aunt got her hands on 4 more fire alarms, 2 of which are speaker strobes. As you can see, this is a Wheelock, let's see. Hold on, yeah, sure. Wheelock E70. EH70, whatever you want to call it. Same thing. So, I have one that says fire on it and one that does not say fire on it. They're both the same kind as far as I know. Yeah, this one also says E70. So, they are the same, except for it doesn't say fire. Here's a pull station. Quite self-explanatory. You pull it, and then the alarm goes off. Here's the inside of it. This is a model number SD500-PS for indoor use only. I do not have the key for this. I'm going to see if I can try to track down a key. It's going to be very hard to do that, but we'll see what I can do eventually. Made by Silent Night. And then here's a smoke detector. This is... what is this? Oh, Edwards. And I hear a fire truck outside. So, yeah, there's no real unboxing here. Oh, snap. What the haystack? Okay, whatever. Just leave that there in case I hear it again. Anyway, here are my 4 new alarms. I will add to my 2 other pull stations. Alright, talk to you guys later. If you have any questions, please comment.